Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the MCQs of biomolecule. So let's begin with the very first question. Which of the following is disaccharides? So glucose is monosaccharide, fructose is monosaccharide and cellulose is polysaccharide. So sucrose is the right answer. So option C is correct. Sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose linked together. Okay. So it is a disaccharide. Question number 2. The basic unit of nucleic acid. So we generally know that the basic unit of nucleic acid is nucleotide. Okay, so nucleotide is a monomer, okay, of nucleic acid. So nucleotide are monomer of DNA and RNA. Nucleic acid are of two types, DNA and RNA. Okay, this DNA and RNA are polymer which are made up of nucleotides. Okay. Question number 3. Which of this is not polysaccharide? So yes, starch is polysaccharide, cellulose is polysaccharide and glycogen is polysaccharide, but maltose is not polysaccharide. Okay, so option D is correct. Maltose is disaccharide, not polysaccharide. Question number 4. Lipids are primarily composed of. So lipids are, every biomolecule is primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are the basic elements which are involved in lipid formation. Okay, like carbohydrate, lipids mainly have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but oxygen is less there. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Major storage form of carbohydrate in animal is. So the major storage form of carbohydrate in animal is glycogen. So glycogen is stored in liver, muscle and quick for energy uses. Question number 6. Amino acid are linked together by. So we know that protein are made up of amino acid, and every amino acid linked with the different amino acid with the help of bond, that is peptide bond. So option C is correct. Peptide bond formed between carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of another. Now come to the question number 7. The most abundant biomolecule of the earth. So answer is cellulose. Option A is correct. Cellulose found in plants, cell wall and is very abundant in nature. Now come to the question number 8. Which biomolecule act as catalyst in biochemical reaction? So protein act as a biocatalyst in biochemical reaction. Okay, so enzyme which are protein act as biological catalyst. Now come to the question number 9. DNA and RNA are made up of. So in previous question we already know the answer of this question, the nucleotides. Okay, DNA and RNA are polymers and they are made up of so many monomers of nucleotides. So okay, so DNA and RNA are polymer of nucleotides. Question number 10. The nitrogenous base in DNA are bonded to each other by. So nitrogenous base pairs in DNA are bonded together by hydrogen bond. Okay, like AT, CG, adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine are held together with the help of hydrogen bond. Question number 11. An example of essential fatty acid is. So essential fatty acid example is option number B, that is linoleic acid. Okay, linoleic acid cannot be synthesized by body and must be obtained from diet. Okay, now come to the question number 12. Sugar present in RNA. So sugar present in RNA, that is pentose sugar, that is ribose sugar. Okay, 5 कार्बन शुगर होता है राइबोस. ओके, जिसे हम पेंटोज शुगर भी कहते हैं. पेंटोज शुगर दो डीएनए में डीऑक्सीराइबोस होता है, आरएनए में राइबोस शुगर होता है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड? सो palmitic acid is saturated fatty acid. Okay, they are without double bond. Now come to the question number 14. Chitin is polymer of. So chitin is polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine. Okay, chitin form a exoskeleton of arthropods and is made from N-acetyl glucosamine as units. Okay, come to the question number 15. Which biomolecule stores genetic information? So DNA is the genetic material which have all the information of the individual. Okay, So DNA hold the genetic blueprints of the organism. Question number 16, hemoglobin is, so hemoglobin is a protein. Okay. Then hemoglobin is a globular protein that carry oxygen in the blood. Now come to the question number 17, which of the following is non-reducing sugars? Okay, so glucose, maltose, lactose are reducing sugars, but sucrose is non-reducing sugar. Okay, because sucrose does not have free aldehyde or ketone group, hence they are non-reducing. Question number 18, the number of peptide bond in tripeptide. So number of peptide bond in tripeptide is 2, because if there is 3 amino acids is there, so 2 bonds are present between these 3 amino acids. Okay, so tripeptide has 3 amino acids joined by 2 peptide bond. Question number 19, protein that assist in folding other protein are called. So its answer is chaperone protein help in correct folding of the protein. Okay. Question number 20, which component is not found in nucleotide? So amino group is not found in a nucleotide. There are 3 components which form nucleotide, that is phosphate group, sugar and nitrogen bases. So nucleotide contains sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base, and does not have any amino group.